some of the other mates is I created a plate that's 150 by 100. Don't really matter what the dimensions are, okay? And that's 10 mil thick. And I'm going to show you how you can mate things parallel to an edge, but a certain distance away from that edge as well. So that's quite flexible, the mates that you can do. And create a new assembly here. And just put one. Let's put two of them in there for now. Okay. First mate I'm going to do is I'm going to say I want that face and that face to be coincident with each other. So if we look at that now, that this plate here is sitting on top of the other one. Still can be moved left, and it can be slid over the top of there, but you cannot move it. You can move it up and down as well. What's that? I thought you couldn't do that. But I want this face, and this face to be concentric to each other, but a distance apart of, let's say, 30 millimeters. So now that's now 30 millimeters from that face. Tick. And I want this face and this face to be concentric with each other, and I'm happy with that. Yep. Finished with mates for now. I'm going to put in another version of plate, and I'm going to make that face and that face concentric. I'm going to do that one first, Michael. That one and that one. Tick. That one and that one. Distance 30 mil. Tick. Can't move either of those plates anywhere, fully constrained. Lastly, I'm going to put in a final plate like so. And I'm going to pick mate that edge and that edge parallel. What's that? Sorry. Coincident with each other. That face and that face coincident. That face and any one of these faces coincident. Yep. There are other things that you got, like when you want a hole to be concentric with a radius, you can select that one. Parallel, you can put things perpendicular to each other. So there are a range of mates that you can use to build up an assembly. You can also create an assembly from other assemblies, so you can have sub-assemblies as you get more and more technical with this software. Alright? You'll only ever get proficient with it if you have a go, play around, make mistakes, and put them right. Okay? Always, everything you do is in these trees here, whether it's an assembly or whether it's the part itself, in the order that you did them in. If you're doing something quite complex, probably good in parts, at least, like this one, to give sketches and parts or extrusions names so you know what they do. You can change the names of these, so I can call that anything I like. Yeah, so you can name your tree so that you can find your way around it. But everything in there goes in that tree in the order that you created it. Okay? That'll end off my SolidWorks session.